Hello, in this short tutorial, I'd like to show you my implementation of Google Smart Lock in Mentorship Android app. So first I want to sign up a new account. So I'm gonna create it with my email and some dummy password, very short. I'm gonna check everything and I want to start a localhost server because I'm testing it on localhost, but it also of course works on production server. I'm gonna click sign up. And in a few seconds I should see output here that something is happening. Okay, yes, I want to save this password in SmartLock. And now it filled everything. It filled these fields. I want to verify this email. I need to change this to localhost. My email is now verified. I can safely log in to Mentorship Android. Login successful. Great. And now if I uninstall the app, let's uninstall it, and I install it again from Android Studio, for example. We can see it automatically fills credential fields, and all I have to do is just click login, and I'm signing in. Thank you.